What's up? Welcome back to the kitchen
with Haley and Logan. We are going to be testing out a Gordan Ramsay recipe today, but we're gonna make it vegan. This one in specific is not vegan because a lot of his vegan recipes I've heard require like a lot of ingredients. And we love avocado toast, which is what this is. It's like a chorizo avocado toast. So we figured we would make that and veganize it because we're pros at that. I guess that's pretty much it. Keep watching. We hope you guys enjoy and keep watching so you can see our thoughts at the very end. We're gonna go over the ingredients real quick. So for chorizo, we just are using the spicy Mexican chipotle sausage from Field Roast, which pretty much is chorizo.
And then we got grape tomatoes. And then we're using
sourdough
bread.
The sourdough bread is the bomb too.
It's really good.
The
Oh,
only
and then of
thing we
course
don't have-
avocado as well.
Yeah, the only thing we don't have is lettuce because we got home and realized our lettuce isn't good.
Yeah.
So we're not going to use that, but if you have lettuce, use that because it would probably be really good. And then also the cheese that he used, I don't know what fucking word he said, but we don't have that cheese. But we do have cheese, but I don't think we'll use it. I feel like that's just kind of like,
Yeah,
eh.
right.
But also it calls for onions too, and we do have onions in our pantry. So.
Oh, okay.
This looks so good. Okay.
Yeah. This one's yours, that one's mine.
You have to do a cheers.
This one's mine.
Cheers. Oh my god.
I should have toasted both sides.
Oh, you didn't? Oh,
No, I only toasted one side. I should have toasted both sides. That's good.
it's really good. That was really good.
The tomato.
This is delicious.
And then I put the everything but the bagel seasoning on it. To spice it up a little bit.
And he also put garlic, minced garlic in it. Well, she didn't do that in the video, but we did that because we love garlic. Sorry.
Oh yeah.
We love garlic. Sorry, food gets caught in my throat. I have to swallow it down. It's like the whole thing in my life.
Oh, that's good.
That's delicious. I could eat that for breakfast. I could eat that for lunch. I could eat that for dinner. Which is dinner right now.
I've never had avocado toast like this.
I've never even thought about
Right? Me either.
putting a protein on top, I guess. I was gonna say
But,
meat,
yeah.
but this isn't.
You said 10 out of 10? I'd say 10 out of 10 too.
I would definitely make this again.
With the chorizo for sure. It touches it up a lot.
Yeah, honestly, if it was any other.
So we just our memory card. I'm sorry, the chorizo. Our memory card is full on our camera, so we are on her phone. So we just wanted to end the video saying it was definitely a success. I definitely recommend, if you haven't tried it by now, you better make it again right now. But yeah, that is it for today's video. So if you liked the video, please give us a like, comment below, subscribe so you don't miss another video. If you have any recommendations, comment them below too. Let us know. But yeah,
I hate when I lift my lips.
that is it for today's video. We will see you in our next one.
Bye.